Hi everyone, welcome back. I have another Chanel unboxing for you guys today. If you follow me on Instagram, I had posted a post yesterday asking what you would choose if you had the choice between the graffiti mini reissue and the Louis Vuitton cans bag in the giant monogram. And then I knew that today I was going to go to Yorkdale and take a look at both of those bags, and I thought I was going to choose one of them. So first I looked at the Louis Vuitton cans, and it's really cute, but I think I would only like carrying it top handle because when I put it on crossbody, it really stuck out just because of the shape of it, which kind of bugged me. And I just didn't think I'd get enough use out of it just as a top handle bag. So then I went and looked at the mini 2.55 or mini reissue in the graffiti, and it was the one that's like pink but iridescent, so it kind of changes color to like kind of a greenish goldish color, and it was beautiful. But as some of you already know, I did purchase the navy mini reissue already, and while I was there, something else caught my eye. So then I posted again asking for your help on Instagram in choosing between the graffiti mini reissue and this bag. And as you can tell, I did not get the graffiti mini reissue because I've got this giant bag here. I'm having to kind of step back just to show the entire bag. This is the biggest box that I have ever gotten from Chanel. So if you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know what this is, but anyway, if you don't, it'll be a bit of a surprise. This is a true unboxing. We just got home. I'm exhausted because we were shopping literally all day. My daughter and I, we had so much fun. But I'm pretty tired, but I really wanted to see this, and so I thought I would open it with you guys. So let's get right into it. It's going to be a bit of a challenge because of the size of this, but I'll do my best. All right, let's try to get this out without knocking the camera over. Yeah, this is a gigantic box. Okay, and this is my receipt. My essay always gives me two. I wonder where the other one went. This one says travel. Oh yeah, there it is. She always gives me an extra one to take along when I travel, which is really nice. So those are the receipts, and I will share the price after I unbox it. Okay. Oh, look at the size of this box. It's a big one. All right, let's see if I can get this all in the shot. There we go. There's the camellia. So this was completely unexpected. So I went thinking I was going to get either the graffiti mini reissue or the Louis Vuitton cans, and ended up coming home with something totally different, but that's okay. Okay, so the dust bag and the booklet that usually comes with. All right, to reveal. Let's see if I can get this out. Okay, to reveal my new Deauville tote bag. So this, let me see. So when I posted this on Instagram and even on camera right now, it's coming up, it's not showing the true beauty of this bag. So this is a turquoise color, it's not green. It did come up green on my Instagram photo. And it's turquoise, and it's got this kind of sparkly thread throughout of it. You can see it more on the color's not coming up properly. as far as I can tell right now. Maybe when I watch it back it will, but so the Chanel and the CC's and the 31 Rue Cambon in Paris are all in this like dark silver sparkly thread, and that sparkly thread is kind of woven throughout the bag and even on the trim here. I wish you could see it better, but it's so pretty. And the fabric is like, it's not the typical Deauville fabric, it's like a chenille, so it's really soft. And this, I believe, is the medium size. There's a size that's way bigger with the top handles, which they didn't have there, but I wouldn't have wanted because it's too big. And then there's a kind of the skinnier size. I like this size. And let me just show you. She stuffed it nicely there. Show you the inside. So that's what it looks like inside. It's got some slip pockets here and a zippered compartment here. And it is a 28 series. So the reason that I chose this was on display. Well, there was one on display when I walked in the store and it caught my eye immediately. I really wish it was coming up properly on camera because it's just so pretty. And I've always wanted a Deauville, but I've been waiting for the right one. And as a lot of you know, I love turquoise, so this color is perfect for me. There was a turquoise in, I think it was the 17C collection, if I'm not mistaken. That Cuba cruise collection, there was a turquoise, and I really liked that, and I kind of regretted not getting it. But that was more of a bright summery turquoise, and this one I think is going to work all year long. It has, another reason I love this one is it has the ruthenium hardware, which is really nice. Yeah, again, the lighting is making it look not quite right on camera, but anyway, it's got a closure here. It's like a magnetic snap closure, and the back is just plain. Yeah, I'm really happy to finally have a Deauville. So the reason I chose this over the mini 2.55 or mini reissue in the graffiti print is because, like I said, I already have my navy one, and as much as I loved the graffiti one, I just felt like they were very similar, even though, you know, the navy one's a little more classic. The graffiti one, it's the same bag, it's just a slightly different take on it. And my 9-year-old daughter was very wise and said to me, she said, "Mommy, if you get that, you're only going to use one of them, and the other one you'll end up selling." And she's totally right. I know that probably would not keep both mini reissues forever, so and I really do like having a navy bag in my collection, and it's a little more classic than the graffiti, so I really did like it. My essay checked stock for both, for this and for the mini reissue graffiti, and the only two left in Canada of these were at my store at Yorkdale, and somebody bought the other one while I was there, so this was the last one. There are more graffiti mini reissues if I decide, I don't know, if I wake up tomorrow and I decide I have to have it too. But I've already got the turquoise cocoa handle from this collection and the navy reissue, so I feel like getting a fourth bag from this collection would be a little excessive, so I'm happy with this decision. I don't have anything like this in my Chanel collection. I think there was kind of a void in my collection. I have a lot of small bags, and I am going to get a lot of use out of this, I think, for work, and also for just on weekends when I want to bring more stuff than just the bare minimum. So yeah, so this is my purchase for today, my kind of surprise purchase. Thank you to everybody who commented on the photo. I saw votes for both. I think the reissue had more votes, but I'm not sure that everyone knew that I already had one, so I think, yeah, I think this is kind of the more, it adds more versatility to my collection, so I'm pretty happy with this. I was worried that I'd get home and be like, oh no, why didn't I get the graffiti mini, but we'll see how I feel tomorrow. But right now I am really happy with this, and who knows when another turquoise one will come along with, like, this is just me. As soon as I saw it, it was turquoise with the sparkles, which I love, and the ruthenium hardware, which is my favorite hardware. I love ruthenium hardware. So anyway, let me know what you think. I really hope when I watch this back that the color is coming up better. It's looking a little washed out on camera right now. It's a little bit more of a rich turquoise, which I think will be nice all year long. And yeah, there's lots of like sparkle to it, which is kind of hard to pick up on camera, but it's really pretty. So anyway, this video is long enough and I'm exhausted, so I'm gonna wrap it up there. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Oh wait, you know what? I'm not gonna wrap it up because I didn't tell you the price, and I said I would, so just 1 second. Okay, so the price for this one, and it says it's the 30 centimeter. It says Grand Shopping 30 centimeter turquoise. So it was $2,875 Canadian plus tax. So definitely a better price than the graffiti mini reissue, which I believe was $4,225 Canadian plus tax. So, okay, now I am going to wrap it up. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.